Today we're walking you through the GAF HydroStop application process. This system adds long-lasting protection to your roof by creating a seamless, waterproof barrier. Step 1. We apply GAF Cleaning Concentrate, then pressure wash it off to remove dirt, grease, and debris. A clean surface ensures the coating bonds securely. Step 2. We reinforce all horizontal seams and roof penetrations with a 3-part system: mastic, reinforcing fabric, and another layer of mastic. Horizontal seams are treated 6 inches wide, while penetrations require 12. This strengthens the areas most vulnerable to leaks. Step 3. Any rusted areas are primed to encapsulate the rust and stop further corrosion. Step 4. Finally, we apply 2 coats of GAF Acrylic Top Coat. Once the first coat dries, we apply the second, locking in durability and long-term protection. From cleaning to reinforcement, priming, and finishing, every step ensures your roof stays strong, watertight, and ready for years of service.